Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Tag Manager for SEO events, detailed guide step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you through the process of configuring Google Tag Manager for SEO events. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the appropriate container for your website. Next, navigate to the Triggers section on the left sidebar. Click on the New button to create a new trigger. Choose the trigger type that corresponds to your SEO event, such as page view or click. For a click trigger, set up the specific element, add conditions, for example, targeting a specific URL or text. Once completed, save your trigger. Now, move to the Tags section to create a new tag. Click on the New button to start configuring your tag. Choose Google Analytics, Universal Analytics as your tag type. Select the event as the track type for your tag. Fill in the required fields, such as category, action, and label. For category, you might use something general like SEO events. Set the action to specify what type of interaction is being tracked. Label can represent additional information, like the specific page or element. Under Google Analytics settings, select or create a variable for your tracking ID. Now, link the tag to the trigger you created earlier by clicking on Triggering. Select your trigger from the list. After linking, ensure everything is set up correctly. Click the Save button to finalize your tag configuration. Next, navigate to the Variables section. Enable any built-in variables that might be useful for your tracking. If necessary, create a new variable for additional data to capture. Now, it's time to test your configuration. Click on Preview to enter debugging mode. Open your website in the new debug window that appears. Perform the actions you want to track to ensure they trigger the event. Check the debug console to confirm that your events are firing as intended. If everything looks good, exit the preview mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.